What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you the weapon crate location as well as the mystical crate for Sunbury and anything else interesting here. Previously, I covered the Sunbury school over here, but now we're doing this one. So, starting off at this northern spot over here near the center, simply enter this building, head upstairs, and you'll find this chest. So, the staircase is here from the front door. Upstairs, this chest over here is the weapon chest. Looting it, this is what we get from it. Fantastic. Now, you'll need to make your way safely down towards this area over here with the tall building at the southwest corner. So this one over here. We'll need to get on top of this in order to get the next bits. So all the way to this massive building over here, you'll need to head around the southeast side of it, or just the south side. You'll be heading onto the roof right here. So finding a way up, usually from a vending machine here, we can grab somewhere at the top near the ladder, hop onto the ladder itself, and climb all the way up here into the broken part of the building. Then just inside of him, you'll find the mystical crate. Grabbing this, bam, this is what we got from it. Fantastic. Then, if you would like a recipe, head across to this burger place or restaurant just next door over here. You'll be diving down into it, where through this glass, you'll find on one of the tables inside a glowing red recipe. Grab it, and there we go, a bacon burger recipe. Now that we have this, the next place we'll be heading is for the second weapon crate, which you'll find inside of this hospital over here on the northeast side of this little town. Inside of this hospital here, you'll be heading up to the first floor where you'll find the weapon crate. So heading up the stairs here and taking an immediate left all the way at the end of this passage, you'll find this weapon crate over here. Looting it, there we go, this is what we get from it. Next up, the gear crate you'll find all the way near the center over here where I died previously, and you can see it right in the middle of nowhere. Just keep in mind there are thousands and thousands of guards running around, and the ones you really need to care about are the ones with things strapped to them that will get rid of you very quickly if they get too close to you. So dealing with the never-ending... Well, going down yet again to those explodey boys I mentioned, the area should be a little bit clearer now. I guess not. Okay, well, the anger music is stopped, and over here we have the gear crate. Finally able to loot it, and that's what we get from it, located directly in the center over here. Then, inside of this L-shaped building, near, once again, the center over here, on the actual icon itself, we'll need to head to here, then upstairs, and inside of this room, you should find another gear chest in the opposite corner, right over here. Inside of this, we get these. Anyways, that's really it for this area. Hopefully you found it useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.